everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside of Soul Eater, the complete series on Blu-ray. So here's the cover, the spine, the back, and the other spine. Take the slip cover off. A little more of the same. There you go. And there's the back again. Then you get episodes 1 through 9 on disc 1, episodes 10 through 18 on disc 2, episodes 19 through 26 plus extras on disc 3. On disc 4 you get 27 through 35. Then you get 36 through 44. And then lastly you get 45 through 51 plus extras. And then on the back, if I can get this out, there's that. And then let's see on this side, there's that. So this has been Soul Eater, the complete series on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.